Welcome to this factual recap of recent court developments. On September 16th, 2025, Tyler James Robinson, the 22-year-old suspect in the shooting death of Charlie Kirk, made his initial court appearance. The hearing took place virtually from the Utah County Security Center, lasting about 15 minutes. This event marked the formal reading of charges against Robinson, who faces serious penalties. Here's a straightforward account of what occurred, based on court records and official statements. The appearance was held at 3 p.m. Mountain Time in the 4th Judicial District Court in Provo, before Judge Tony F. Graff. Robinson appeared on video from jail, wearing a green anti-suicide vest provided for inmates at risk of self-harm. He looked unshaven and remained mostly silent throughout the proceedings, showing no visible emotion as the charges were read. His demeanor was described as stone-faced, with no signs of distress or reaction to the serious accusations being presented. When Judge Graff asked Robinson to state his full name for the record, he responded quietly, providing only his first name in some accounts, though court records confirm he stated Tyler James Robinson. This minimal response set the tone for the hearing, where Robinson offered no further comments, pleas, or questions. He nodded occasionally to acknowledge understanding, but otherwise maintained a composed, impassive expression, staring directly at the camera without blinking excessively or showing any facial changes. Judge Graff denied bail, citing Robinson as a flight risk and danger to the community. The court then proceeded to read the 7 charges filed earlier that day, one by one, allowing time for each to be noted. First-degree aggravated murder, with aggravating factors including targeting the victim due to political beliefs and committing the act in the presence of children. Felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury. 2 counts of obstruction of justice, 2 counts of witness tampering. Committing a violent offense in the presence of a child. Throughout the reading of these charges, Robinson did not interrupt or react visibly. He remained seated, with his hands likely out of view, and provided no verbal responses beyond the initial name confirmation. Robinson indicated he cannot afford a private attorney, so a public defender will be assigned. The judge also approved a protective order requested by prosecutors, prohibiting Robinson from any contact with Charlie Kirk's widow, Erica Kirk, directly or indirectly. Again, Robinson showed no reaction to this order being granted. Following the hearing, Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray held a press conference. He announced that prosecutors intend to seek the death penalty, describing the case as an American tragedy. Gray referenced evidence including a note left by Robinson stating he had the opportunity to take out Charlie Kirk, along with text messages expressing frustration over perceived hatred, such as, "I had enough of his hatred." Authorities maintain Robinson acted alone based on current investigations. The next court date is set for September 29, 2025, also virtually. This appearance represents an early step in the legal process, with ongoing investigations into the full circumstances. Thank you for watching this recap. Stay informed as the case progresses.